And the other productivity tools, if you're using Project, for instance, or you're using our general ledgers or our Great Plains software, everything has a hook into this BI now. Everything's going to go through. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster here. R&D investment, 15% of our revenues go to R&D. Okay, that was $9 billion last year. Okay, this is a huge bet for Microsoft. The amount of money that they spend on the technologies in the future is pretty good. I'll just go along with that. Okay, performance and scalability. There's a lot of white papers in the back about some of the things we're doing with SQL Server. It's definitely grown up over the years. SQL 2000 was one thing, 2005. Now we're talking about terabytes of data in SQL 2008, terabyte cubes, and it really scales to your organization. Both the bottom line, the SQL Server, and the MOS can scale to every user. Large third-party community, okay? These are things that you can find on the internet. You can find employees that can do this. The wealth of talent out there that knows the Microsoft SQL Server stack is better than most, okay? The partner community, okay? The people that are building applications on our stack of software is very strong. And I mentioned the available data. Integrated source system comes with an ETL tool. SQL Server comes with an ETL tool. So if you have your data in SAP, if you have your data in PeopleSoft, we have extraction programs to get that information into a SQL Server queue and into the Excel services report writers. Okay? They're automatically, projects, if you will, that automatically connect to those data sources. So all of these things combined give us the lower cost of ownership. Okay? It's not just one. I mentioned 3 report writers in closing. Okay? Excel services. If you don't want to call IT, you don't want to get into the queue, you want to write a report, open up Excel, attach to a database. Now I believe everybody in the room knows how to do that. Okay? In SQL Server 2007 and beyond, you have data mining tools. Okay? Forecasting those results in a trend. Okay? Cleaning that data if you want to strip out maybe all the mail purchasers in your database. Okay? These data mining tools have been part of SQL Server, but you had to write a program to them. Now in August 2007, they are added to it. Okay. Reporting services comes with SQL. This is the production reporting. I got a very glossy, fancy report with a logo on it. I want to burst it out to everybody's email in PDF format. That's what reporting services does. Comes with SQL Server. And performance point services, again, now part of MOS. Gives you the dashboarding capabilities, the slicing and dicing through cubes, the creation of notes to generate those activities. Okay. So all of that delivered through Office. Here's a couple of quick screenshots. Loading data or reporting data out of Excel, reporting data out of MOS or SQL Server, showing the scorecards there, the production reporting on the reporting services, and the dashboards on SharePoint. So that's really a summary slide. Here's the data platform. Here's what we're talking about. We're unlocking your data with an enterprise-wide database. We're delivering relevant information in terms of writing reports, doing dashboards, doing scorecards in a familiar environment like Excel, and promoting those to the enterprise. And why would you promote those to the enterprise or give this to every user in your organization, not just the few in finance, is to get results like this, where we can look at an employee scorecard, generate our profit by employee, and align our employees to our corporate goals. And that's a huge value add to the Microsoft stack. How'd I do, Jeff?
Perfect. I was going to say 15 seconds.
Perfect. We can walk inside for 15 seconds. A fantastic site, Microsoft.com/BI. On-demand webinars, on-demand demos, partner communities, screenshots, everything is at Microsoft.com/BI.
Fantastic. Let's give Dan a round of applause. All right, we just got a little bit of a gift. Your choice: Capstone hat, Capstone bag. All right. Well, thank you very much, Dan. Don't forget you're voting for breakfast. We're going to collect the tickets after. SAP's up next, so let's bring them up. Give you just a minute to get your thoughts collected or get some more coffee or what have you. Don't forget to vote for breakfast. Don't forget the fish bowl in the back. Sarah's got it. If you came here late, make sure you sign the list. Make sure you say who you came with. Make sure you throw your business card in the bowl. Great prizes, lots of fun, you know, trips to Tahiti, that sort of thing. Don't hold me to that. All right, a couple minutes and we're up.